How to download songs with Chrome. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open Chrome on your computer or phone. Then in search address bar, simply type down Pixabay and go to Pixabay Music or official website. Once you are in there, on the top tab you will get to see many options available. From there, tap on the music. Once you tap on the music, you will get to see the list of music available in the Pixabay. Now all you have to do is scroll down and search or browse for the song you want by genre, mood or instrument, and click on the play button to review, and you can simply tap on the download button available right next to the every song and download it to your device. The song will be downloaded to your downloads folder on Chrome. And that is it. Pixabay songs are completely free for personal and commercial use with no copyright issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.